Welcome to quarantine lockdown adventure.
She does chocolate fountain.
She said hi, Mommy.
I'm not Mommy.
I thought I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes. The love is blind.
That's the lemon line.
Our children, we love you. You keep us sane and you drive us insane.
Life is always better, ayo, ayo, when we are together, ayo, ayo. We're walking on cold rays. These are the best days. These are the best days. These are the best days.
Who next?
Harry, I'm downstairs.
Downstairs.
No, you have to go down this one.
And then cut a gun. And Harry has a gun too. My purse and my princess purse. She said hi, Mommy.
I'm not Mommy. It's cleaning Saturday, huh?
No, Mom.
Look, your room's looking pretty good. Boys' room's looking pretty good. Got our big pile of laundry. This room, not quite there yet. Hey, Lincoln, I don't think you're done cleaning the kitchen yet. Lucy's vacuuming. You're not a happy camper, right? Dad, how's cleaning Saturday going?
The normal routine, 4.5 hours of discipline and remembrance that they need to do the job and explaining that the job isn't done. So Lucy has made huge strides. Even Grant has made huge strides. Lincoln has made huge strides. Lucy can't even hear me. She's picking her nose.
She's reading her book. Hi guys, how you doing during lockdown?
Oh man. Being brought back down to reality has hurt. Hurt.
Going from seeing like 3 to 4 new places a week to not leaving for now 5 solid weeks.
I even forgot how to drive, started driving on the right-hand side of the road. We're in New Zealand, that's a no-no.
We're trying to stay safe with a few things. We're making it through. It's kind of day by day, honestly. One of us is usually up and one of us is down. Yep, walks for sure. We've had Fountain Friday, Chocolate Fountain Friday.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Although the chocolate fountain died. Of COVID-19 quarantine, we made it another week without killing anyone. Getting ready for our Fountain Friday.
Miracles, miracles. I love my wife because she does chocolate fountain Friday.
How is it?
Good.
Oh, yes. Oh, you better show me and ask them you bring it here. I don't need to go look. Oh, look at all that delicious pineapple. How is it, children?
I'm gonna eat till I explode. I already am full, but I'm not here.
Harry, don't worry, there's plenty there. Harry's got to finish his dinner, but he's doing a good job. We have made a pretty big dent on it already.
Mommy, look. Marshmallow latte.
Oh, yeah. Gracie, where's your clothes?
We went on vacation, but now we're coming back.
Anyway, hope you guys are holding out during lockdown. You're staying sane and safe, and I hope the world opens up again soon, you guys. Let's all cross our fingers. Let's all say our prayers.
Alright, and for our children, we love you.
We do.
You keep us sane and you drive us insane.
Anything is possible. Everything is new.
Hey, Monopoly Go. It's like a 15-minute version of Monopoly.
Deal.
Oh, so excuse me, Monopoly Deal. What do you think of Monopoly Deal?
I love it.
They've set up their own obstacle course.
See the dye.
Dad, what keeps happening?
Oh, this is a mess. I keep getting spit on. I keep getting chewing in my ear too, and my youngest keeps kidnapping the dye, shoving it in her mouth and running off.
Okay, Lucy, it's Saturday morning during COVID quarantine. What are you making?
Gluten-free chores.
So what's in the batter, Lucy?
Eggs, water, sugar, butter, fat. A lot of fat.
Jacinda, our new best friend, Prime Minister of New Zealand. About to announce that we're going to level 2. If we don't,
We start today by acknowledging New Zealanders who've made over the 6.5 weeks through the
I'm so freaking nervous.
3.5%
I don't know what to say. I think I just want to start toddling again.
You can begin to move around New Zealand. Just space yourself out. Just as you use public transport. In a course hospital.
I don't know what's going on.
Today's really
I think it's level 2. But we don't know what we're going to do until the lawyer tells us, I guess. Official. We're on level 2. Somehow I feel like we lost. We seem to have made all the children upset. Lincoln's very upset. Grace is very upset. Lucy. I'm sorry, Lucy, not Grace. Grace has no idea. So that's a bummer. Seems like everyone just wanted to eat anyway. Including you? Including you. I'm pretty much most everyone wants to be here. We're kind of hanging out. What day is it in quarantine? Day 27? Something like that. We're headed out on our daily walk, which is the only thing keeping us sane at this point of quarantine. How you doing, honey?
I'm trying to keep my sanity.
Is it going well?
Not really. I just realized.
She's doing her ID Tech camp. Let me show you.
What is that supposed to be? Mom, get out!
I'm just filming you for documentation purposes. Look at all that coding people.
Mom.
She's learning how to code like a rock star.
Love you.
Welcome to quarantine lockdown adventure.
Proud children and the rest of the world watching this.
We are still in New Zealand, still in the same house in Tauranga. We decided to do a blind soda taste test. Okay, so we have lemon, lime, and bitters. They're gonna not love that one. Burgundy creaming soda. This is my favorite one, diet ginger beer.
To be like, what flavor is this?
That's not very fair. That's not a Bundaberg.
Well, I just want to mix it in to see if they're like, this is my favorite.
Passion fruit. And
The one they will probably get.
apple. They've all tried apple. Peach.
Okay, these are our contenders, and this is our stooge. Welcome to our taste test competition.
There we go, Grace. Put out your hands. Okay, now you have to try it and tell us the flavor.
Here, I'll help you out.
Try. What is that? Peach.
It's like berries
Berries
and cream.
What's your
Come on,
guess?
guys, you gotta drink it all
You gotta
gone.
drink it all gone so we can put in some more. All right, time to try round number 2. Give us your vote.
Gross. Now you got poop mixed in with it.
Orange.
Okay, here's guess it's orange.
Pineapple.
Grant.
Pineapple.
Good. And Grace just drank hers. And
Look at Grace. Lime! No, not lime.
So orange, lime, what was the other guess?
Pineapple. I got.
Oh, you're right.
By the end of this competition,
the boys are gonna let it all loose.
Hey, Boris, get yours.
Number 3. Tell us what it is.
peach. That's peach. Peach, that was the strawberry.
Strawberry.
Raspberry.
Raspberry. Ready.
All right, everybody, get ready to sample yours in 3,
I'm
2,
scared.
1. Go ahead and get started on your samples.
Diet ginger beer.
That's the first correct guess.
Honey, why do you give it away?
Diet ginger beer.
For us to go around.
Yeah, this
6.
Okay. Number 6.
Apple juice.
On to our next round here. Give us 1 second. Drink up.
Tell us what this one is.
What? This smells like this.
Drink it up.
I'm not even gonna.
Hey, that's not fair. Disqualified if you don't try it. 3.
No, it smells like the. It smells like the.
You better get some in your mouth or you're
poop jelly
You're gonna be disqualified. You drink it.
Don't be.
Wait, that's gotta be like a berry pie or something.
We'll now move on to our next round.
Dump it out, please. Dump it out.
Harry, don't do that.
Harrison, you're not gonna get any more if you keep doing that.
That's so gross. That smells gross. But tastes good.
Okay, what is it?
Ew. Orange. Orange. Orange.
Orange.
I actually like it.
Any other guesses?
Can this be the last one? I'm crazy.
Orange cream soda.
Dad, can you pour it out?
Go ahead.
And Lincoln's
Harrison, you're going to go to bed.
pink.
Lucy, come on.
How are you going to bed? It's red? I don't want this tasting.
That's guava or pink guava?
I'm eating it.
Why are you laughing?
How about yours, Grant? What's your swap?
I can tell that.
Harry, why did you do
Alright, that's lemonade. This is the first time our parents have made us drink soda.
that? Great. You gotta get it all down, friends. Okay, drink up.